How to fix ChatGPT Preauth PlayIntegrity verification failed error. So here is how to fix it step by step. First of all, restart your device. Sometimes a simple reboot helps reinitialize Play integrity checks. So once you restart it, go back to the home screen. Then tap on the Safari option available there. Now all you have to do is type down chatgpt.com, then go to the ChatGPT. If this version works without the Play integrity check, then the problem is within your app. Now all you have to do is go back to the home screen again, and once you go back to the home screen, simply look for the ChatGPT app and long press on it. Then tap on the remove app and delete the ChatGPT app and reinstall it from the App Store. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.